Now comes to the perspective view. Perspective drawing then approximate presentation of any object at as is perceived by the eye on a flat surface given paper. Whatever the object image is when on a flat surface on paper, this can be actually seen by the. It allows an artist to control the illusion of depth. Linear and arithmetic perspective describe how objects appear in relation to their distance from the object. Means how the object will appear from the distance of the from the distance by which observer has seen that object. Next, next, now, so these are the, this is the perspective, and already I have discussed about axonometric, which 3D dimension is converted to two-dimensional picture, and under which comes symmetry. Next, now any questions regarding all the topics we have discussed? For example, from starting from lettering. In case of lettering, we have kept the height to width ratio 6:5, and then comes under the next topic, that is a scale. A scale is used to measure the length. That length may be a straight length, and we measure angle, that is angle of all. Length measurement scale, we have taken a symbol and diagonal scale. Next chapter we have discussed about conic section. Conic section is section which is obtained by the different positions of the cutting of an axis. If we cut a cone axis perpendicular, then it is obtained circle. Then we cut axis and lateral generator of an, that is comes under. Similarly, when two cones are joined and cut, that come under hyperbola, then parabola. So in section we have two things I have to consider, that is focus, point, and direct. And in this case, we have taken eccentricity. It is defined as the distance from focus to point. It is the ratio of distance from focus to point to directrix. Eccentricity now eccentricity is a small for one, equal for parabola, and now become under different type of projection, under which projection classification consider parallel in perspective view. Parallel projections in which all viewing lines are all lines are next perspective projections. Viewing lines converges at a point. All the viewing lines are converges, fixed or met at a point. That point on which observer is kept and all the corners, all the rays has been focused. Now, parallel projections can also be divided as viewing plane, normal to, or projections line. That is, I have discussed about trimetric, dimetric, and isometric. Isometric, all the two length lines size has been shortened by 80%. Two length of shortened. Next come under viewing plane, inclined to view. Plane has inclined and to viewer or projections line. Comes under oblique projections, and that can be divided into cavalier, object side, and cabinet. Size is smaller than one. So that's now perspective in contrast to the parallel projection. Perspective projections parallel line coverage. Parallel lines have been coverages by the parallel projections, and in non-uniform foresighted of lines occurs, shape of the object is not clear. Next, foreshortening means the length is foreshortening. Foreshortening is the illusion that object and appear smaller as the distance from the center of projection in. So for shortening, the length is smaller as the distance is taken. Now location of the picture view. Location of prospective view is also depend on the location of the picture plane. These are the example of perspective per insight, but not in proportion. These are the examples that they are differ in size, but size may differ, but the proportion may either proportion of them that are same. Further, as the distance has increased the plane from the object, the smaller the prospective drawing will be seen. Distance control the scale of the prospect. Therefore, the distance has control the scale of the prospect. Here is the observer, and he will look the different look of the object. So, therefore, in perspective, size is differ for the this is the another case of example of perspective. This has been seen from the distance and from the nearby. What it looks like. This is the perspective view. We have taken that at one point they are joined two lines. So this is the example of perspective view. This is the another example of perspective view where the observer is at a point where all the views are at that point and the view are taken from convergence point. So this is the another example of perspective view. This is also next example of perspective views. Horizontal and vertical plane. This is the perspective above the horizontal plane. This is also comes from this is the perspective view. See point, line, line, and a see point and ground line. So in case of perspective view, have categorized at as ground line from where we have taken view in the horizontal line and vertical point where the point met with the horizontal line, that is a convergence. So this one is the point, vertical line and ground. So this become under the perspective view. Now I have already taught you that projection of solid. Projection of solid example. Now in the same thing I have discussed about the orthographic is the rays is taken parallel. Now this is the isometric already discussed. Now this one is oblique. So you have main difference between that oblique, oblique projections parallel projector not but these are the projectors are parallel not perpendicular. If we kept a plane then the projectors are not perpendicular to the I've seen that the projectors are not perpendicular. As for example, we have seen here the projectors are not perpendicular to. So this will come picture in oblique picture, oblique projections have in isometric we have taken 30 degree, but in oblique projections the angle of one side may be 30 to 60 degrees, and in isometric both the angles are taken inclined 30 degree to isometric oblique projections. In front we have taken two length, and the other side, I mean 30 degree, we have obtained detail along all the detail by the along the depth of the axis. Therefore, so that this method is mainly used for object with circular or curvature. It means object has one face of parallel faces that is used in the case for a oblique projections. For object this type, oblique is easy to draw and dimensions. This it is and this is and the drawing method is that oblique view is formed by parallel projectors that make an angle other than 90 degree. Make angle other than 90 degree with the projection plane. The object is not rotated or tilted. This view, the object is not rotated or tilted and has a major face and one major face parallel to the so that front face of the object is seen in its true shape. So in these projections, front face of the object is seen under the true shape. Next, the height and weight of the object end and at 90 degrees to each other, and the height and weight of the object remain at 90 degrees, and the detail of the object along the depth are shown along the depth axis taken an arbitrary angle. Normally we have taken 30 degree or 45. It is taken arbitrary. Whatever you desire, that either 30 degree, 45 degree. The depth direction may be taken either left or right, and the direction of the depth may be either taken left or right or up and down. So this comes under up, and now see the difference among orthogonal, isometric, and oblique projection. Now we have different. We have seen this is the orthographic projection. First, where we have taken top view, front view, side view. Top view, front view, side view. Now, so in orthogonal projection, there are three views. In isometric projections, like that, all the corners have been made by 30-degree horizontal, and the oblique front side will give it shape, and other sides will also look like that. Now, object orientation guidelines. Now, this is the guidelines for object how object oriented. First, place complex features. In case of orientation guidelines, any object place complex feature. Complex any object, the complex feature of object is like arc, hole, irregular shapes parallel to frontal plane. So then we have put complex feature on the frontal plane like that. These are all the three figures has a complex figure that has been complex part here have been kept under the frontal plane. Now the longest dimension of an object should be parallel to. Now in a second case, the longest dimension, whatever the long length as is of the object should be parallel to that should be parallel to frontal plane. In case of this condition, where we have under below the figure is seen that is a bad position of a object because we have not kept this one as a frontal face of the longest side. So this is the second condition for object orientation guidelines. Now, first case, the object orientation is frontal, complicated frontal face is kept frontal, and in second case, the longest dimension the object is kept parallel to the frontal plane. Now, this is one the case which orientation is better. We already seen that say that which orientation is this is and first one is complicated one is parallel frontal and second is the case the longer length should be in parallel. Then in this case we have to judge that the frontal may be taken Now, this is the oblique projections. The real object is in hand of a person, and the oblique projections escape frontal part escape in front. The two shape will come under the middle shape, and we have draw side by making 5 degree of the depth to estimated depth we have taken and estimated line we have also seen. So this is the case of oblique projections. This case, the object orientation guideline taken that draw a rectangle by given width and height of the extend parallel lines from each other of the we have draw a parallel lines by making 30 or 45 mark the extension line at a point equal to depth of the object. Next says is that connect depth of the lines. Next says that add detail. We have make details such as and other frontal. Next, extend the details depth direction of the and final position is that complete the sketch by darkening. This is the guidelines for a creation of the object projections. Now, drawing of a oblique drawing is that you have given by top view and front view. Now we make oblique. All the details has been made by taking the help of a side view and top view. So top view is shape is comes in front, and then by making 45-degree angle, we have make the front view then, and this is the after that we have make all the important that is whole semicircular hole, rectangle as we found. This is the case of oblique drawing. And the drawing of top view and front, then you have to draw the oblique drawing this way. Now, there are types of oblique, that is cavalier. Cavalier means that is of exact size. Cabinet, that is the replica of that size. that case, we have already taken diameter as smaller dimensions. That is, a scale is taken 1:1:half. Then here we have taken Cavalier view. Cavalier view mount will be of shape, and the axis may be 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 depth dimensions that will size. And in cabinet mount view, shape mount true shape, and the receding angle may be of 30 degree, but depth dimension, that is receding axis, we half inside. So this is the difference and cabinet. This the depth dimension, that is receding axis, will be half size. Force out. And this is the Cavalier view of the figures. First of all, Cavalier view. In second figure, the Cavalier view is like that, and its front view is below the reference line, top is above the reference line. So in which the front view is the true shape of the, and the next is top view is made by the figure that may be angle of on which we have generated the whole. This is the case of Cavalier. Now you have already understand the different type of perspective view. Let's come under Cavalier view. Also, you show the isometric axonometric view, in which comes under isometric. We have shown diametric, diametric, and isometric. So these are the different type of view we have discussed here. This is the example, another example of Cavalier view. So this is the case of another Cavalier view. The true shape and the complicated figure is kept in front of frontal plane, the exact true length is kept frontal plane, and the other details by which other details is generated. Thank Thank you, sir. Thank you. Another example of cabinet axis is in which size is this is a cabinet. These are the example of Cavalier view. So